Class, I am your English teacher Aditi Day. As you all know that yesterday I have completed the first part of the question B children, which is given in the page number 5. Today I am going to start with the second part of the question number B beta. In this it is about giraffe and the bellbird. It is also given from the story. So some sentences are given from the story, and according to this questions are given. What you all have to do, you all have to complete this work in your English literature fair copy children. First note down the questions with the black pen and then write down the answers with the blue pen children. Okay, complete it neatly, nicely, and check it that you have not make any spelling mistakes also. Okay children, so and if you feel any problem to complete this work, you can ask me personally or in the WhatsApp group beta. Okay, so let's start with the video of second part of the B question of lesson number 1, same or different beta. Okay class, as you all know that I have yesterday completed the B part 1. So today I am going to explain with second part of the question B beta. Okay, so the question is given in the book. I am going to show you. So this is the question. B part 1 you have completed yesterday. Today we are going to do the second part of question B beta. Giraffe couldn't fly and the bird was too tiny to fly over a long distance. None of them wanted to leave the other alone. So this question is given in your page number 5 beta. B part second. So this lines are given from the story. You all know when you read the chapter. So giraffe couldn't fly and the bird was too tiny to fly over a long distance. So none of them wanted to leave the other alone. Means when the story is going about the giraffe and the bellbird, so when I have explained you, I have told you now that giraffe couldn't fly because they are stuck on an island na. This giraffe and bellbird. So the lines are given from the story. Giraffe couldn't fly and the bird was too tiny in size, too smaller in size to fly over a long distance. So none of them wanted to leave the other alone because they are good friends. When they spent many more days in the Iceland, they are now friends. That's why giraffe and bellbird wanted to leave the other alone. They don't want to leave each other alone. So the question A is, where were giraffe and the bird? So you have to write like this. Where were the giraffe and the bird? So when I have explained the story, I have told you that giraffe and the bird were stuck on a big island together. Now it is clear to you all that where were giraffe and the bird? So giraffe and the bird were stuck on a big island together children. Now question number B is also related to these lines. Giraffe couldn't fly and bird was too tiny to fly. So you have to explain this why this lines was said. The lines were said because giraffe couldn't fly and the bird was too tiny to fly. This lines was said to explain that both of them were wanted to seek help, but both are unable to according to their size and the movement, and also not wanted to leave each other alone. Okay, means the lines are saying that giraffe couldn't fly. You all know that giraffe only moves on earth. It couldn't fly. And the bird was too tiny, too small to fly over a long distance like sea. So that's why these lines were said. So giraffe couldn't fly and the bird was too tiny to fly. These lines were said to explain that both of them were wanted to seek help. Means they want help to go out of that place, but both are unable to according to their size and movement. That's why, and also not wanted to leave each other alone. That's why these lines are explained about this, that giraffe couldn't fly and the bird was too tiny to fly, beta. Come to the next question. Question number C. Why didn't giraffe and the bird want to leave each other alone? Question C is asking about these lines, that why didn't giraffe and the bellbird want to leave each other alone? So the answer is according to the sentence, giraffe and the bird spent many days together happily in each other's company and became friends on the Iceland. That is the reason they don't want to leave each other alone. Okay, children. Question number C is asking that giraffe and bellbird, why they don't want to leave each other alone? Because answer is giraffe and the bird spent many days together happily in each other's company and they are now became good friends on the Iceland. That is the reason they don't want to leave each other alone, beta. So you have to complete this work. This is the B second part. You have to complete it into the English literature fair copy, children. If you feel any problem, you can ask me in the class group or personally also, beta. Okay, beta. Complete it and learn it also. Okay, beta. Thank you.